There is another feature which we can see in edit definition. I have to go back to the references, and for the set 1, which is this side, I have an option called splitting surface. So when I'm turning this option on, I have to select a plane or any surface which can help me to divide or split the total draft. So I'll be selecting this plane right now, and immediately after selecting the plane, you can see in the dynamic view that I am having a splitting surface over here, or the splitting edge. What we can see, we can alter the draft with respect to this position. So as I have selected the horizontal plane, I can alter the bottom region and I can alter the top region as well. You can see that the bottom region is dependent on the top region here. And when I'm altering the top region, the bottom region is also getting altered along with it. So whatever angle we would like to set it, we can set the angle number 1 and the angle number 2. Say for example, I want to add the material over here and I want to pull this inside. So this is a kind of feature what we can create. And the variable pull direction draft is very powerful because it is giving us separate features for each set. So the kind of activity what I'm performing over here is not happening on the other set. And the kind of draft what I'm maintaining in the set 1, I can have a totally different kind of draft for the set 2. Which we will be trying to do it right now. So for the set 1, let me maintain an angle of 15 and 30. Now I'll go to set 2, and the total attention is now focused on the set 2. Here I can select the splitting surface and I will select the horizontal surface again. And I can vary the angles again. Now let me keep the angle 1 as 30 degrees and angle 2 as 15 degrees. I can also make it -15. It goes inside. And after that we can simply press OK, and we can see how we are altering the design by using the draft command or the variable pull direction draft.